Hey everyone, friends, it's Vela here. Today I'll show you the best settings for Wallpaper Engine on your PC. Open Wallpaper Engine, choose your image, then go to Settings to select what you need. There we go. The first tab depends on your needs. For example, if I switch to OBS, I can choose mute or pause per monitor. If I select stop on monitor, switching tabs will pause the animation. See? So we'll leave this as is. Here you can select stop. Oops. There. You can also select stop here. This helps free up space if you have a full screen program. Right. You can also choose what happens when other apps play audio. Here we'll select mute. There, display sleep. I hit stop and we'll leave it here. These are good settings based on your PC. Say you've got a 2 or 4 gig video card. I'd suggest choosing between these two, and also RAM if it's low. Pick between these settings, but to make low settings look decent, you can choose high quality here, yeah, and keep the rest low so the image isn't hard on the eyes. If you've got a decent setup, you can go high. I don't recommend setting FPS above 30 here. You can choose 4x anti-aliasing here. There, this can be set to medium and this too. There, and ultra. Here you can experiment, maybe bump up the FPS. This depends on your monitor's refresh rate. With a 60 Hz monitor, no point setting FPS above 60, you won't see the difference. There we go. So here you can choose the process priority. If we go here, you can set it lower than normal to reduce system load. You can also set it to stop when video memory runs low. This option is useful if you have limited video memory, so it shuts off automatically. Right. Click OK to apply our settings. Don't forget to update your drivers and check for Windows updates too. This is crucial as updates optimize performance. For Windows, go to Settings and Security. There. For AMD or NVIDIA cards, open the appropriate app. I use GeForce Experience. Go to Drivers and update there. This has been Vela. Goodbye, everyone.